Welcome to Digital Storytime at Thousand Palms Library. My name is Angelina. I have for you today Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Written and illustrated by Kimberley and James Dean. Read with permission by Harper Collins. Let's get started. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How beautiful. Oh no! Hang on! Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. We had counted 10, right? You were paying attention, right? Okay. So Pete said, maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes, lined up straight. 1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Oh no. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." There's Squirrel. And she goes, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. They got a real problem on their hands. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. And Pete the cat, his ears, they're curling. It's not good. Just then they found another clue. What's this? Pete said, "I bet it was alligator." I don't think so, Pete. I think you're wrong. "He loves to eat." Alligator said, "Wasn't me, couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone had taken 2 more. Who is doing this? But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. And just then they found another clue. A clue! A red ladder? Man, I bet it was Turtle, Pete said. I know Turtle loves sweets. Just then, Turtle shows up and he says, "It wasn't me, man. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Uh-oh. Just then, Pete noticed something else. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Oh man, what on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Ugh. Pete and Gus, they didn't know what to do. Wah, wah, wah. And they started looking for another clue. Look at these clues. Cupcake wrappers, sprinkles, little footprints. Oh man, I bet I know who it is. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus, they solved the case. Bullfrog says, I'm so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and I ate till there were none. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. And Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. That's true. Let's give him a second chance, because that's what friends do. It's real generous of you, Pete. And Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete the Cat's cupcake party! And everyone was going to have tons of fun. The end. Thanks, y'all, for joining me.